Bluey and Bingo raced down the street, tails wagging, ears flapping, chasing the jingle of an ice cream truck. Bingo panted, "Do you hear that song?" Bluey shouted, "It means ice cream." Could a normal day explode into sweetness? The truck turned the corner, but this was no ordinary cart. The roof opened, gears spun, and out popped a giant cone towering higher than the trees. Muffin gasped, "That's huge." Coco squealed, "It's taller than the house." Bluey barked, "That's our challenge today." Could kids conquer a mountain of dessert? They climbed the cone like explorers, paws sinking into creamy swirls. Strawberry rivers dripped, chocolate chunks rolled like boulders, sprinkles rained down like tiny meteors. Bingo licked a wall, shouting, "Best climb ever." Bluey laughed, "Don't eat it all." Could adventure taste this good? Suddenly the cone shook, whom, the top began to melt faster and faster. A tidal wave of ice cream rushed down. Coco screamed, "It's an avalanche." Muffin dove into whipped cream, giggling, "Delicious disaster." Bluey yelled, "Hold on tight." Could they survive a sugary storm? They surfed the melting ice cream on waffle cones like boards, sliding down the swirl. Bingo hooped, "This is better than the park slide." Bluey balanced with style, spinning through rivers of chocolate. The crowd cheered as kids rode the waves, dripping sweet from head to paw. Could chaos feel this fun? But then, crack, the giant cone tilted, ready to collapse. Bluey barked, "We have to save it." They grabbed spoons the size of shovels, scooping fast, shaping the cone back upright. The crowd joined, licking and laughing, turning disaster into teamwork. The cone stood tall again, glowing under the sun. Could joy rebuild what melted? At last, everyone sat together, eating scoops bigger than their heads. Bingo burped, "Best day ever." Muffin smeared sprinkles across her nose, Coco licked her ears clean. Bluey wagged proudly, "Ice cream isn't just for eating, it's for adventure." She turned to us, grinning wide, "If you want more wild flavors, more epic stories, tap like, hit subscribe, and join us for the next big scoop of fun."